Hey everyone! In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 3 best mountain bike under $400 the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Huffy Kids Hardtail mountain bike. Only from Huffy, the best mountain bike, which is specially made for the kids out there who want to enjoy some time alone in the fresh air. This bike will typically allow the kids to experience some high-quality performance while getting able to ride on a comfortable seat of this Huffy Hardtail Kids mountain bike. However, the best mountain bike under $400 comes with the maximum features that will only provide a maximum advantage. Though, this 20-inch Huffy Summit Ridge bike, which offers you its 6 speeds. You will surely love to use its efficient transverse pedal power, which is purposely here to give you strong acceleration whenever you are on plain surfaces or even though, on the uphill climbs. This 20-inch Huffy Kids model is an ideal mountain bike for kids ages between 5 to 9, and the ride height should be 44 to 56 inches. Made with an alloy that will offer you a quick release to easily enable seat height adjustment. This powerful bike is made with a durable and robust steel frame, which is solid enough to give you the comfortable riding feeling ahead. Offers you a wheeling size of 20 inches, and the wheels are super smooth and strong to roll on through any hard to flat surfaces conveniently easily. Yes, the bike also equipped with handle brakes that will initially deliver consistent, stopping action so that you can make sudden brakes easily. Number 2. Our second best pick is Mongoose Impasse men's mountain bike. Mongoose is the best mountain bike under $400, which gives you so many advantages and easiness to enjoy with the superior speed of rides on different terrains. The smoothness of wheels and the solid structure of the frame will surely make you able to get this best mountain bike under $400 as soon as possible. Thus, there are many exciting features built in the bike which entertain you so much while offering you some reliable opportunity to go with the flow on this bike. Though you can quickly achieve your target spot within minutes or so, say thanks to its powerful and robust wheeling structure, which gives you the smooth wheeling experience, and of course, the reliable brake system which prevents you from any sudden falls. Furthermore, this trail-capable best mountain bike under $400 will surely offer you a smooth and as well as controlled ride in which you will get an Element front fork, SRAM twist shifters, Shimano gearing, and front and rear disc brakes. Made with the aluminum full suspension frame, which maximizes your comfort zone and as well as provides you with better performance. This will allow you to go with the fork smooths the bumps, and of course, it will also increase the overall control so that you can experience the best ride ever. The wheels are so soft and sturdy that you can smoothly go through any terrain, difficult or easy, and the wheels are made with alloy, which will also give you the quick release front. You will get alloy rear and front disc brakes that are so active and strong enough to provide you with the best immediate stopping experience. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is Merax Finiss 2.6 alloy wheel mountain bike. Merax Finiss is the best cheap mountain bike under $200, which is not just best for your mountain experience, but as well as will surely provide you with better performance ability. Merax 2.6 is such a lightweight best mountain bike under $400, which is so light in weight that you can easily carry it onto yourself for a walking journey. However, it is also very comfortable and comes with a variety of different features by which you will be able to target your point successfully. Also, the bike has come with the advanced aluminum mechanical lockout system plus mountain bike suspension fork, which will further make you able to experience the smooth bumps and, of course, find an increased control over the bike. Also, with its mechanical disc brake system, you will find the perfect braking experience, which helps you to make sudden stops immediately without any loss. The best mountain bike under $400 can easily handle the rider weight of up to 330 pounds, which might be ideal for everyone out there. Comes with a 26 inches wheel size structure, the bike will fulfill your dreams and plans by which you can achieve your score easily. This best mountain bike under $400 offers you its mechanical disc brake system that is powerful enough to give you reliable brakes at any point. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.